One of the easiest ways to get a strong charcoal fire going is to use a chimney starter. First, load up the bottom of the chimney starter with some lightly wadded up newspaper. You should only need 2 to 4 pieces, depending on the size of the starter. Then, load the starter all the way to the top with charcoal briquettes. Insert a lighter through one of the holes in the bottom of the chimney starter and light the newspaper on fire. Do this again with several of the other holes around the base of the starter. Then set the starter in your grill. Once the newspapers burn up, the coals should begin to burn. Wait until the coals at the top of the chimney starter turn gray, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Then dump the coals out into your grill. If you want the fire to last more than 30 minutes, add 2 to 3 more handfuls of charcoal to the grill to help keep the fire going. You can also open the vents on the grill to feed the fire with oxygen and make it stronger.